Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by, and for my old subscribers, thank you as well. So guys, we are going to be making this oven roasted potatoes. So let's proceed in making the potatoes. Here I have my potatoes, which I'm going to be cutting into medium sizes. So after cutting them, I'm gonna go ahead to wash it thoroughly to get rid of dirt. So I'll go ahead and wash them. So I have my potatoes well washed. So in it, I want to pour some vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you have. Some onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and lastly some salt. Then mix thoroughly. I'm going to use my hands. It's well washed, so I'm going to use my hands to mix it up. This is what we have after mixing it up. Next, I have my baking tray lined with aluminum paper. We're going to transfer the potato into the tray. Then spread it evenly. So I'm going to be baking this on 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. So make sure before you start, you have to preheat your oven before putting it into the oven. While our potato is baking, let's go ahead to dice some parsley. But if you don't have parsley, that's fine. You can just do away with it. After 20 minutes of baking, I brought it out, so I'm gonna flip it to the other side, then put it back for another 20 minutes to continue baking. I'm gonna flip it all around, one after the other. Now I'm going to transfer it back to the oven to cook for the last 20 minutes. After 40 minutes of baking or roasting, this is what we have. Our potatoes looking yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into a plate to serve. I'm going to be adding some parsley for color, for that green color. So as you can see, our roasted potato is ready and looking all delicious. So you can use whatever sauce you have. Here I'm using tomato sauce. You can use any dips, whatever you want to use. I'm going to be leaving the ingredient that I use for this recipe in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye.